Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev and I'm going to present the video on decision tree on WEKA software. First we'll go through the PPT. So we are going to see decision tree on using WEKA software version 3.8. Decision tree is a decision support tool that uses a tree-like graph or model of decisions and their possible consequences, including chance of event outcomes, resource cost, and utility. It is one way to display algorithm that only contains conditional control statements. Decision trees are commonly used in operation research, specifically in decision analysis, to help identify a strategy most likely to reach a goal, but are also popular tool in machine learning. Now we'll discuss about WEKA software. WEKA is a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. The algorithm can either be applied directly to a dataset or used from your own Java code. WEKA contains tools for data preprocessing, classification, regression, clustering, association rule, and visualization. It is also well suited for developing new machine learning schemes. Now, after seeing the PPT, we'll directly move towards the software WEKA 3.8. In this software, we'll be seeing how decision tree is made using this tool. In the applications, we'll first choose Explorer. Now, as the software is running, first we need to pre-process the data. Now, first we need to open file. We'll directly move on to the dataset. According to my problem, we'll be looking forward for the dataset which is having minimum of 100 tuples and 5 attributes as per my assignment. So we will go to local disk C, programs, program files, then to WEKA 3.8. Now we'll be looking forward for datasets. There are numerous amount of datasets given in the WEKA software. We'll first look forward for the dataset of credit. This dataset is very common. It is for the credit, whether a person will get a loan from the bank or not. So this is the dataset which is having 1000 instances and 21 attributes. You can also edit it. You can see the database sits here. It's presented here in the Excel sheet in ARRF format. So these are the 21 attributes such as checking status, duration, credit history and all. We can also see the graph-like structures. We can see which of the following attributes are having following classes. Blue represents class yes and red represents class no. So we can see the amount of attributes that are having classes yes or no. Okay. So after choosing this dataset with 1000 instances and 21 attributes, we'll classify the data with the help of decision tree. First we need to choose the classifier. We'll press choose, and then we will look forward for the trees. We should also know that decision tree is also known as J48 tree. So we will choose cross validation folds of 10, it's correct, and we'll start the processing. So here we get the processing of the data, which includes 103 leaves and 140 size of the tree, which includes 588 good and 183 as bad, means yes or no. We can also visualize, this is the attributes, checking status, duration, credit history, purpose, and these are the graphs. We can visualize it. According to the decision tree, we can also see this. We can visualize it by, in classifying mode, we can visualize the tree like this. So this is a very big decision tree which contains many attributes. We can go through each and every attribute. This tree includes 1000 instances. Now we will look forward for the dataset which is having less number of attributes and instances. Now we will be seeing the second example of decision tree from WEKA software. We'll again start with the Application Explorer. Now we'll choose the dataset from local disk C. Now we want to use the dataset which is having less number of instances and less number of attributes to get a clear, distinct decision tree. We'll take the dataset from WEKA 3.8 datasets, and we are choosing is the most common dataset with very common attributes, which is weather numeric. Yes, so this is a dataset which is having 5 attributes: outlook, temperature, humidity, windy, and the playing condition class. We can visualize it as well. It is outlook, temperature, humidity, windy, and play. The blue stands for yes and red stands for no. Okay, now we will classify with using the again with trees and J48, which is the decision tree with cross validation folds of 10. So we'll start. So we'll get this as classified data, and this data can be easily transformed into a tree by right clicking it to visualize the tree. So here we get the tree. So outlook, if the outlook is overcast, then it is a yes for playing condition, and if it's sunny, then we have to check for humidity, and if it is rainy, then we will check for windy. So it's clear that we can get the decision tree out of this software. So hence I conclude this video, and I hope you get the concept of using WEKA with decision tree. Thank you.